You said this was wrong.
Okay. This is an essay written by Camille Paglia about the poem that we just read. It's her analysis of it. So we're going to read it now and see what else she came up with about it, right? Because she came up with a little more than we did, it looks like. Do you want to read?
No.
Do you have a question?
How did she come up with?
Sorry.
If you were participating in the Black-Picket Rebellion with the Algebra Project today, the thing has been canceled, and it's going to be rescheduled for other people. So all those people who were participating with the Algebra Project in their rally is canceled.
Who is okay. All right. Number one, Tavon. Okay, good. So the first step, she didn't read this poem just once. She probably read it 20 times, right? To notice the icebox, to think about the fruit. To do all that, you can't do that in one reading. So she read it more than once. Step two, Will.
Look at the title for clues to hidden meanings.
Okay, good. So, the title can help give you information about the poem. So make sure you read it and figure out how it's connected to the poem. Step three.
I'll do it.
Okay, well.
Number 3. Go back and pick out images and words, thinking about what they mean at more than just at their basic level.
At more than just their basic
Yeah, let
level.
me read that over. Go back and pick out images and words, thinking about what they mean at more than just at their basic level. I didn't
Okay.
like how I read it.
Okay, so what we're talking about is the difference between literal and figurative. Okay, when you read the text the first or second time, you're going to get the literal meaning. Literal means this is a chair. It's what the word actually means, chair. Okay? Does anybody want to argue that this is literally a chair?
No, because it isn't.
Right. Now, if I had a big, comfortable recliner, like the kind you wish, everybody wants in their house, a lazy boy, that would literally be a chair, but it might figuratively represent comfort or rest, okay, or home, okay? So words can have a literal meaning, okay, or they can be symbolic or figurative of something else. So what I'm asking you to do in step 3 is think about the figurative meaning, okay? Taisha, cell phone. Okay. And Taisha, you can make it up to me by reading number 4. Good.
Examine the punctuation and form of the text for clues. For example, no period at the end may signify whatever. Something that doesn't end. Etc.
All right, thank you. So make sure you take time. Hello. Why am I talking over you? Okay. Make sure you take time to look at the poem and see, does every line end at a period? Why did she break the line up that way? What do the dashes mean? Why are the pauses there? Okay, so, yes, you're going to be leaving in about 1 minute.
Yes.
So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to read this poem out loud to you. You're going to answer the close reading questions that are at the bottom of this page for homework. I want the answers on the back, and I want it when I see you next. Okay? Next. If school's canceled tomorrow, I'll see you Monday. Whenever I see you again, I expect you to have it. Do it tonight in case there's school. Yes. I will. You can keep it one, or I can take it back. All right. So I want to read this poem with you once to close out our class. But I'm not going to get it.
Yeah. No homework. No homework. No homework.
Yeah, homework.
No, you said we had to read it.
Read it on your own.
Y'all try to
Don't